Hey there folks, I'm just doing the annual power supply battery test, and who can tell me what's wrong with this picture? I'll give you a hint. This battery is a 12-volt battery, and it's wired to the battery terminals, except that this power supply is a 24-volt power supply. This is a good way to start a fire and blow up your battery, because you're basically, this battery right now is sitting at 24 volts, and it's only a 12-volt battery. So be careful when you guys are installing batteries. Make sure you got the correct amount of batteries or the correct voltage set for charging. Take care guys, be safe.